Stubborn stains giving you a tough time? Meet the Tough Stain Specialty Duo and say bye-bye to stubborn stains now. Designed to remove difficult stains, grease, adhesive, rust and water scale marks, cleaning has never been easier. For greasy spots, simply use the 3M Sharpshooter No Rings Remover. Just spray, soak and wipe. If you have tougher stains, just scour before wiping. Cleaning out almost any stain, the 3M Sharpshooter No Rings Remover can be used on any washable hard surfaces. And as the name suggests, there is no rinsing required. With the 3M Cream Cleanser, cleaning rust and water scale marks has never been easier. Just scrub, rinse and wipe. The extra thick clinging formula with fine-grade abrasive particles will remove toughest water stain marks, soap scums and rust stains in no time. So, if you have a stubborn stain to remove, 3M has got you covered with the Tough Stain Specialty Duo. Say bye-bye to stubborn stains now.